What's up, ladies and gentlemen, YouTube, everybody out there? It's Phil20, and I'm really close to the camera. Let's back off. So, in the title of the video, you already seen it, and I've got it sitting behind my head. I'm sitting here on my Husqvarna, and I'm just chilling out, and there's a different mower behind me. I'm not sure, maybe. Yeah. Well, the mower showed up today. We've got the Ryobi. I didn't tell you guys too much about it, but it's an electric mower. And there's not much information on the internet about this. So let me try to get to the extra special goodies. Let's talk about it. I'm going to switch the camera over for you. And I can't switch the camera backwards, so I'll just show you. It's got adjustable seat. Slide it back. Now, I want to show some stuff for you here. Charging port, always charge when not in use. Okay? And if we look here, we got our charger. It's nice and warm. And we got a battery indicator and a low speed, high speed, low speed cut, headlights. It's got auxiliary. Alright, so we got it on. We'd have to sit down for it to start working. Or we had to unplug it. There. Now it says the battery's 100%. If you can see that. I don't know if you can see it because I can't see it. Alright, so it says the battery's 100%. And we got USB output, 5 volts, 1 amp. We got a couple compartments. And it's got replacement parts, a 75 amp hour battery, a 100 amp hour battery, a charger, combo blades, mulching cover, rear wheel assembly, front wheel assembly, bagging kit, blah, blah. It don't tell you what kind of battery it is. It's a 48 volt, 42 inch cut. Okay? Now, none of this stuff tells you what type of batteries. For use with LPC 1275 or LPC 12100. Okay. The keys was on, so it beeps. It's good. It don't tell you specifically what type of battery this mower has on it. But I think I found something. On the charger, it says battery, lead acid, AGM, 24 cell, 75 to 100 amp hour. Uh-oh. So, Ryobi is selling us lead acid batteries on these mowers. Sorry, I just doing a quick post for you guys. But it's got like 4 AGM batteries underneath this compartment. It's all the way to the front to the back, and it's giant batteries. And I guarantee you those 4 batteries weigh quite a bit. This is a 5 kilowatt battery. So, if you get an extended warranty with the mower and you use it a lot, it won't be that big a deal. You've got a problem with that charger though. It's got a 13 amp charge at 48 volts. Now 13 amps, well, that's about 600 watts. A little bit more than 600 watts. And you know that's not a lot. If you're considering running your house alone, well, you're going to need a lot more energy than 5 kilowatts. And when it's AGM and lead acid batteries, they don't like to be below 80%. So, basically a 5 kilowatt AGM battery would like to use literally 20% of that 5 kilowatts. But I'm gonna hit it pretty heavy. I mean, I don't care. I got an extended warranty, so my extended warranty is gonna cover pretty much everything on the mower. I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna charge it as fast as possible, and that'll be it. I'm just gonna charge as fast as possible, and you know it'll work. Hopefully, it'll work for a long time. But 600 watts. You know, let's say I'm driving from job to job and I hook up a solar array to this electric mower. If I hook up a solar array to it, well, I'll be charging with this 600 dinky watt charger. It looks like a giant charger, but it's not. It's a 600 watt charger. And that is a problem. That's a problem. So it's a 600 watt charger that comes with it. That means the 600 watt charger is not going to charge rapid charging. It's a slow charge for this system. I mean, 600 watts, it'll take about 10 hours to recharge a battery from dead. So basically, you can charge this battery and then mow like 2.5, 3 acres, they said. With lead acid batteries, I just do not feel like it's going to work that well. Being that said, it's possible that I use an extension with lithium batteries, because I could put 200 pounds of lithium batteries on this and take off the 400, 500 pounds of lead acid batteries that's on here and have twice as much power, because lithium is the lightest metal on the planet, and since you can make the battery out of the lightest metal, it's not a heavy battery. So that's why lithium is super popular nowadays. And with the capacity, the room that this battery would have, I could put by far more than 5 kilowatts if I filled it up with a bunch of 18650s or whatever. But it would have to have a battery balancing system. If I could fit the Chevy Volt battery types inside of there, that would be super awesome. I haven't measured anything, but it probably will be something I'll be showing everybody on the YouTube channel about this mower. So if you're looking at buying one, wait, let me take a closer look at these batteries, because I'm pretty sure that, if you want a lithium battery powered lawnmower, because they're going to last a lot longer. This is Field 20 with solar power, electricity, and electronics. Peace.